Hello friends, now I am here with my new topic Likert scale chart. As a consumer of anything, you can you keep coming across surveys on various aspects of the different products. Then what we will do if we go to some market, some online shopping, we have to go through some surveys. There are some questions there. You are satisfied, unsatisfied, agree, disagree, whatever, and are on these survey we do on the scale of Likert scale, and we create this survey visualization in Tableau using Likert scale. Then if you consider this module of Tableau you are going through will help you progress in your career, then you can have some option like strongly agree, disagree, not agree, strongly agree. So this is the example of Likert scale. It is a rating scale that is commonly used in surveys. A Likert scale is nothing but a modified bar chart to visualize a Likert scale. So a Likert scale is a type of rating scale used to measure attitudes or opinions in research. On this scale, respondents are asked to rate items based on the level of agreement. In like we go some office, in some office, in hotels, and when we check out from the hotel we need to feed some feedback. Whatever the feedback is, you are satisfied, unsatisfied, not satisfied, whatever, up to which scale you are satisfied. So this is basically done on the basis of Likert charts. So we will use some different file here and different data set, and I will provide you link in the description box. I will use here two data set. First we will open first one. Two files will be there. First I will open survey data set. It is an Excel file. So friends, you can see there are number of questions. 8 questions are there or more questions are there. Yes, there are 10 questions, and we can see there are some responder IDs who filled these questions and they have feedback on their output, like somewhere they have 5, somewhere they have 4. So according to their feedback, if we create a bar chart, that will be known as Likert scale chart. First of all, what we will do, we will simply select the data. One more thing, responder ID we also required here. What was the responder ID? So what we will do, where is the responder? This was the responder ID. Then what I will do, I will select this again from question number 1 to 10 and do the pivoting. So I will get respondent ID, field names and field value. This may be question number, should be question number, this should be rating. Then I will rename this again. Rename as question number, and I will do this rename as rating. So friends, now I will bring those questions, whatever the question was, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, and I will add a separate data set here. Now what we will do, I will go to the add, I will go to the Excel, I will add metadata here. So now what I will do, now we will going to add both the data set on the fields common there. So we'll drag and drop metadata here. We can have different type of joins here on which basis we want to join. We can join on the basis of question number and question ID. Then we can see there is a inner join will be there, and we will close this. So there are different field from different staff, different responder ID is created. So we will go and see how this will work in the next video. Thank you, friends. Thank you so much. We can see there is question number asked by the rating given by 4, responder ID is 4, category is this. So we will work on this data set in the coming video. Thank you, friends. Thank you so much.